Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about Baby Doge Coin's future, and yes, there's big news you need to know. After the redenomination, Baby Doge made a comeback with a new name, 1 million Baby Doge Coin, and it even got listed on Binance. At launch, the price pumped almost 49%, hitting around 42 cents before stabilizing. Right now, it's trading around 12 cents, and despite market drops, it's showing strong potential. Trading volume crossed $475 million, and the market cap nearly hit $1 billion, showing whales are still very interested. Analysts predict that Baby Doge could kill 2 to 3 zeros soon, and if market conditions turn bullish, it might even head toward $1, but realistically, that could take until 2029 or 2030. The real game changer? If Baby Doge shifts from just being a meme coin to a utility token, it could unlock massive gains. So while a short-term pump is possible, big long-term returns will need patience. Always remember, do your own research before investing. If you're excited for Baby Doge's future, like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye.